Greetings, Guzzlers. A bit of a Friday night baking session. Well, I might argue this isn't actually strictly speaking bacon. Bacon. It's beer. We're actually working towards making, for a guest, a keto meal. And so I'm doing like a keto sort of semi-dessert, a little, sweet treat as it were. So we're going to make some keto peanut butter cups. Now it's quite simple. We've got peanut butter. I've got smooth. I prefer bits in, but given what this is, I've got smooth. I've got 113 grams of that. I've got some plain unsalted butter, 57 grams. You could have salted, don't really matter with this. And then I've got some, now I won't have trouble saying this, erythritol. It's basically a sugar substitute, so it makes it low carb, obviously, because it's not got sugar in it. I've got 43 grams of that. You can use stevia, never use it. I've got some vanilla extract, and then for a little topping on it, we've got 115 grams of low carb chocolate. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is get a pan, and I'm going to put everything except the chocolate into that pan. Okay, the chocolate is going to be a topping, which we'll do a bit later. Okay, so the vanilla essence, half a teaspoon. So we're just going to put all that together, and then I'm going to melt it all together. So there you go, that's gone on a low heat, and all I'm going to do is, once that starts sort of melting a bit, we're just going to keep stirring it all together. And what we want to do is get it all smooth with no lumps in it. Oh, needing a bit, it's Friday night. So the other thing you're going to need is some cupcake cases. This is only going to make about 8. Okay, if you wanted to make more, obviously increase the ingredients, but we're just going to go for 8. So the idea will be, we will just be evenly distributing this once it's all melted together in all them cases. Okay, it's a non-bake, so when I said to you we're doing baking, it's a non-bake recipe. Okay, essentially keep them in the fridge. Okay, and then if you do that, keep it in the fridge, airtight container. These can last for weeks, but given they're only making 8, I don't think it's unlikely they're going to last longer than a week, to be honest. By the way, if you don't like peanut butter, you won't like these. So all the butter's now melted in. I've got it all nicely stirred together. So all I'm going to do now is just evenly distribute it amongst them cupcake cases. Now I'm using muffin cases. Okay, so I've got an awful feeling I will struggle to get 8 out of this. Okay, but that's the idea. We're just going to go along, distribute this out, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes just to help it firm up a bit. Actually, I will better do 8. I mean, these are only dinky little things, dinky little treats. Might just add a little bit extra in some of them, because some of them are a little bit low, and then that's it. Like I say, into the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes, help them firm up, and all we're going to do is melt down the chocolate. Now it's up to you what you want to do with the chocolate. You can do it in the microwave. I'm going to do it over a bain-marie. But there you go. So that's our cupcake cases, 8 of them, thin layer peanut butter. Well, peanut butter thing. So our final little thing is, we're now just going to add a chocolate topping to each of the cupcakes. Okay, so I've melted down some chocolate, just going to pour that on top of each one, again just distributing it over all of them, and then we're just going to put that into the fridge again and allow that to set. I've not actually tempered the chocolate, so it will go soft obviously as soon as it starts warming up. but that doesn't really matter. So that is our keto peanut butter cups. Okay, not quite your Reese's peanut butter cups, okay, but made low carb version, okay, with not much in that one over there. I better put a bit more in. Just need to top up those two at the back there. But there you go. There's your peanut butter cups ready for chilling.